Do this once and watch how people treat you like a leader. You ever wonder why people don't respect you as a leader, even though you speak well, dress sharp, maybe even outperform everyone around you? The truth is, leadership respect has nothing to do with logic. It has everything to do with psychology. Because in every room, there's a hidden power game. And if you don't know how to play it, you're automatically seen as less. Not because you're weak, but because you're unconsciously sending low-status signals. You laugh too quickly. You nod when you're unsure. You over-justify. You try to prove yourself. Every time you do that, you're silently telling people one thing: I'm not in control here. Respect isn't given to the loudest or the smartest, it's given to the one who controls the frame, the person who never looks like they're chasing approval. And today, I'm going to show you the psychological trick that flips the entire power dynamic in just one move. Part 1. Stop leaking weakness. You don't lose respect when you mess up. You lose it when you look uncertain about yourself. When you explain too much, when you apologize before speaking, when you constantly ask for validation with phrases like, "Does that make sense?" Or, "I'm not sure if this is right, but..." You've already placed yourself below the other person. And here's the scary part. People don't consciously judge you for it. Their brain just feels it. You're not the leader. Leaders do the opposite. They don't rush. They're comfortable with pauses. They don't fill silence with nervous talking. They let others react first. That's not arrogance. That's strategic restraint, and it changes how everyone responds to you. Part 2. Silent ownership. Most people fight for attention. They talk louder, they laugh harder, they overperform just to be noticed. But leaders, they flip the script. Instead of chasing attention, they behave like they already own it. This is called magnetic presence, and it comes from one behavior: silent ownership. Here's how it works. When you walk into a room, you don't rush to prove yourself. You don't react to the vibe. You create it. You move slowly. You make deliberate eye contact. Not with everyone, just one calm scan of the room. You sit or stand in full comfort, as if the environment is already yours. You don't fidget, you don't smile too fast, you don't over-explain. That calm, grounded energy triggers something primal. People register you as someone who doesn't need permission, and so they give it to you. You're not trying to dominate. You're just behaving like someone who's already in control. That subtle calm creates tension, the kind of tension that makes people lean in when you finally speak. Part 3. The status reversal trick. Now, here's the move most people never figure out, the one that permanently flips the power dynamic in your favor. It's called the status reversal trick. First, understand this. Social status isn't about money or titles or even raw power. It's about who is reacting to whom. The person who reacts more is lower. The person who stays calm and non-reactive is higher. Here's how you apply it. Next time you're talking to someone, maybe your boss, a dominant personality, or someone trying to impress you, let them finish speaking. Then do nothing for 2 full seconds. No reaction. Just steady eye contact, a calm nod, silence. That pause creates psychological tension, because now they're waiting for you. And then, here's the flip. Instead of reacting to what they said, you casually change the topic. No explanation, no agreement, no emotional reaction. Just pivot. Something like, "Anyway, that reminds me of something I was thinking about earlier." What just happened? You broke the frame. You removed their authority without conflict. You didn't fight for control. You took it by refusing to validate the hierarchy they tried to set. Their brain instantly recalibrates. Wait, he's not reacting to me. I have to adjust to him. They may not realize why, but their respect for you just went up. Final note. From that moment on, you're no longer the one proving yourself. You're the one they're trying to win over. That's what it means to be treated like a leader. Not by being louder, not by chasing approval, but by mastering presence, restraint, and the status reversal trick. Because the moment you stop chasing validation, the world starts adjusting to you. You don't need to prove you're the leader. You just need to act like you were never the follower. The choice is yours.